Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you 4 tips on what to look for when buying a fixer-upper. Make sure you like, share, and hit the subscribe bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. I would love for you to stay until the end where I give you my bonus tip on fixer-uppers. My name is Rupa and I'm your community realtor. I serve the amazing people of Toronto, especially Mississauga. Now, most buyers will purchase a fixer-upper with the intention of flipping them for a profit. However, not every fixer-upper is a great deal. So if you're not careful, you could end up with a money pit. If you're going to invest in a fixer-upper, whether it's to flip a home for profit or to rent it out, or maybe just move in yourself, make sure you keep these 4 things in mind before buying anything. And tip number 1, the location. There's no point in investing thousands of dollars in a fixer-upper in a neighborhood that is not desirable. It doesn't matter how beautiful the home looks after the renovation, but if no one wants to live there, if you're going to buy a home, if you're going to buy a fixer-upper, make sure it's in a neighborhood where there's a huge demand. And tip number 2, the condition. There's a big difference when buying a home that needs to be just repainted or a home that needs to be completely gutted out and redone. If the home is falling apart and the repair is too much, then the investment capital needed will be too much, making it a negative cash flow when considering buying for a profit. And tip number 3, the configuration. The number of bedrooms and washroom matter when it comes to buyers. It could be a biggest deal breaker for any buyer. 3 bedroom, 2 washroom fixer-uppers are a lot better to sell than 2 bedroom and a 1 washroom. Older homes have an issue where there's not enough washrooms as compared to the bedrooms. Keeping this in mind when buying a fixer-upper to investment is important. And tip number 4, the floor plan. When considering a fixer-upper, pay attention to the floor plan. Most buyers like a practical layout. It's best to keep things simple. If a floor plan is not practical and something may need to be changed around, like a washroom or a closet, but if you have to move around a whole kitchen, you have to have enough room. Now you have to think, is it worth it? Is it worth it, or maybe it's better to pass it up? Since the amount of money it will take to fix it will probably negate any profit you might have wanting to make. If any of these things I just talked about are an issue, odds are you're better off not investing in that particular property. Now for my bonus tip. Whether you're new or an avid flipper, there's always room to have a professional renovator take a look at it properly to see its full potential. Because there are some things that definitely cannot be changed, like a supporting beam. Only they can tell you which one can stay, which one can be taken out. That's where a professional can help you in making these crucial decisions when it comes to purchasing a fixer-upper. If you found value in this video, we'd love to see more future content. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. If you want to reach out to me, see the text below. With me, you'll get no pressure, no sales tactic, just the help and the guidance that you need. See you in my next video.